I hope you're excited as I am, folks, because I am very excited. Today, we are going to create the Mosesauras jumper. But before we get building, I know you already know Peanut, but I want to introduce one of his friends. Meet Big Bear. All you need to create this is a Hot Wheels launcher, a Hot Wheels car, 2 Hot Wheels connectors, 2 Hot Wheels tracks, some blocks, and the Mosesauras from Jurassic World. Let's move everything to the side for now, and I'll show you how to stack your blocks. And then, you want to help, Peanut? Oh, sure, why not? Big Bear, would you be so kind and, scoot those tracks over a bit? Thank you, Big Bear. This connector goes in here, which, it is hard, which goes in there, which goes right in there, which will go on there, which, I know I'm saying a lot of witches, which, you balance it up there, and now just put the Mosesauras in place and your car can die. And when you place the Mosesauras, you want to place it so its lip is right under the track, because if you don't, it could, yeah. So, like I said, put it under the lip. And the other thing is you might want to do it on the carpet, because these fins are rubber and it's kind of slippy on plastic. So it's like really easier for this guy to stand up on carpet. And also, coming soon is the Dawn of the Dinosaurs Hot Wheels racetrack. Coming soon. Huh?